What's the meaning of bugle? Bugle. Bugle.
Bugle. Bugle. The term bugle can refer to both a brass musical instrument and a plant with brightly colored flowers. The bugle is a valveless brass instrument that produces a unique, haunting sound often associated with military and ceremonial events. The bugle plant, on the other hand, is a type of herbaceous perennial with tubular, trumpet-shaped flowers in shades of white, pink, red, and blue. These hardy plants thrive in full sun and well-draining soil, and are often used in garden borders and rock gardens for their showy blooms. Overall, bugle represents two very different but equally beautiful elements of music and nature.